Yo, what is Gucci, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I hope you're having a great day. If you aren't, you know what to do. Make it a better one. I hope it's a better day by watching this video. Sorry if you hear the vacuum in the background, but I have some exciting news for the channel, or for y'all. Nothing that I'm getting, something that my brother already bought. I thought to film about it because it is... Sorry, there's a dude. Wait, where is he? There he is, mowing back there. So, yeah, I came out here just so you didn't have the vacuum noise. Oh my goodness, there it is. Oh, that is so dope. No joke, that's it. That's it. Oh! Oh my goodness, this is so dope. Aaliyah. Oh my word. This is so dope. Look at it, guys. Oh, that's so cool. That is so dope, Preston. Yes. Oh my goodness, what a beaut. You like it? Oh, I love it. That is so cool. Yeah, a real good shot. Okay. Preston, this is nice. You like it? Yes. Hold up, I want to sit in it. I'll sit in her. This is nice. So this is the big surprise. This is the whole reason why I was filming, is to show y'all Pesha's new sport car. So, crank this up. It's eating us! Have you ever seen that meme where it like scares the poop out of that little girl? Oh my god, Sylvia! Preston, this is nice. You like it? So look. This is the big surprise. This is the whole reason why. It's because of this butte right here. Woo! Let's go on for this dope car montage. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, bet you gon' drown right now. Sauce in the sound right now. Sold by the pound right now. I'm too loud right now. I've been up all night doing this, cause that's what I do. Yeah, no time to ruin this, it's handwritten for you. Finna go, can't stop me. One of a kind can't copy. I got a heart like Rocky. I stick and move like Ollie. Ain't no one gonna drop me. You wait on me in the lobby.
First drive, or at least for us. We're out here in Converty. You like it, Mom?
Yeah, this is amazing. Both ways.
This is cool.
Well, obviously, you can see everything.
This is super cool. I don't think I've ever driven a Converti.
Preston said he loved the way it drove.
It feels pretty smooth. This is super nice.
This is cool. It drives so smooth.
Yeah, that's cool.
Mama, are you gonna want a sports car now?
You want a Mustang now, Mama?
Sure.
Probably. It drives super smooth. I really like it. Preston, how do you feel about your first car?
Yeah, I feel good about it.
Feel like
excited.
Feel excited?
Don't.
Preston, you realize how many more videos we can do with you getting a car?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I really like it. Good job, bud.
Thank you.
Preston, you're gonna have to take me to school in this every day. Why not? Work. I gotta work. Who cares? Well, I mean, that's the only way you got this is because you work. Unless you're like me and you be ballin'. So guys, now we gotta get ready for church. But this is the whole video. I just wanted to show y'all Preston's new car. Congratulations, Preston.
Thank you.
You welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
You welcome. But congratulations, Preston. Good job, bub. This is opening a whole new window or a whole new door for my YouTube channel, because we'll be able to do a lot more. And it's amazing. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure and leave a big thumbs up. We do a lot to make these. Comment down below. I will see y'all in the next vlog. Thanks y'all for watching. Anything else, guys?
And just be ready for whatever comes.
Alright, yeah, stay tuned, people.